How to send a feedback on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send a feedback on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application and click on those 3 points up there, and now click on setting. Scroll down and click on help. Now click on contact us. Now click on please select an option, and you have options. Click on feedback, and now click on tell us what is going on, and you can write your feedback and click on next to send them your feedback. And this is it. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.